We have a question, which stack is used in 8085? Option A, FIFO, that means first in, first out. Option B, FILO, that means first in, last out. Option C, LIFO, that means last in, first out. Option D, LILO, that means last in, last out. So in 8085, we have memory, that means stack obviously, and we have few portions to store data, and say the lower one, these are the lower addresses of the memory, and these are the higher addresses. So the address is incrementing like this from low to high. So whenever we have a push command, we can insert data in the stack. So every push will insert data, and whenever we pull command, that will discard data from the memory. Okay, so when we push, the memory size will be incrementing, data will be inserted, and whenever we have a pull, the last data will be discarded. So obviously it is working as a LIFO, that means last in, first out. So the answer is C, LIFO, last in, first out.